Dear viewers, today we will discuss concept of sample in detail. You can say that what is sample. First of all, we will read about what is sample. You can say that sample is the part of population, a sub-part of population. A sample is a portion of a group that is chosen for analysis in statistics. Sampling is used to gather data about the community without having to look at every single member of the population. Depending on this study question, the size of the community and the availability of resources, various sampling techniques can be used to select a sample from a population. Typical selection methods include simple random sampling. This involves choosing people at random from the community, ensuring that each person has an equal chance of being chosen. Stratified sampling. This method entails dividing the population into subgroups or strata according to a specific characteristic and then choosing people from each subgroup proportionately to the size of subgroup. Cluster sampling. By dividing the population into clusters or groups based on factors like geography or other factors. A random selection of the clusters can then be chosen for analysis. Systematic sampling. This entails choosing people from the community at predetermined intervals like every 10th or 20th person. Statistical analysis can be used to determine the characteristics of the population based on the samples. Characteristics after a sample has been chosen, a measure of uncertainty such as a confidence interval or a margin of error is usually included with the analysis findings to convey the degree of confidence in how well the sample reflects the population. In statistical analysis, sample size is a crucial factor because bigger samples typically result in more precise population estimates, but expanding the sample size also makes data gathering and analysis more expensive and difficult.